Milk and garlic is a remedy for asthma, pneumonia, insomnia, heart issues, cough and more. Sometimes, vegetables, fruits, and spices can be the most effective medicine we can use. One such remedy is the garlic milk, which is a potent cure for arthritis, cough, tuberculosis, insomnia, heart disease, and much more. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 10 garlic cloves, minced. 2-3 teaspoons sugar. 500 milliliters milk. 250 milliliters water. Instructions: in a pot, add the milk and water, and then add the garlic. Heat the mixture, and when it starts boiling, reduce the heat, and start stirring constantly. Strain it, add the sugar, and drink the milk warm. Here are the benefits of this healthy drink. Arthritis. Its daily consumption treats arthritis symptoms and pain. Sciatica. This milk soothes sciatica pain as well. Heart issues. Garlic milk is an effective way to lower bad LDL cholesterol and to prevent the formation of blood clots. Asthma. You should drink this milk or eat 3 garlic cloves at bedtime every night to relieve asthma symptoms. Jaundice. Garlic eliminates toxins from the body and activates good enzymes to improve the function of the liver. Garlic is high in sulfur, which is vital for the liver, as well as selenium and allicin, which reduce the fat in the liver by stimulating the release of bile. The regular consumption of garlic milk for 5 days treats jaundice. Insomnia. Garlic milk will relax the body and help you fall asleep. Pneumonia. Drink it 3 times daily to treat pneumonia. Cough. Add turmeric and some honey to the garlic milk and drink this beverage to relieve a chronic cough. Lung tuberculosis. Drink garlic milk 3 times daily to treat tuberculosis. Digestion. The potent antiseptic properties of garlic boost immunity and help digestion, cleanse the lymph system and detoxify the body. It also stimulates the release of digestion juices and treats diarrhea. Cholesterol. Consume the garlic milk for a week to regulate your cholesterol. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.